Y'all, this your boy BCP and Tang back at you again with another video. You already know what time it is, and this right here is just a camera so y'all can get a better angle of what I'm about to do. So today's video is about me taking apart my Xbox One S because my son decided to keep his juice on top of it. And as you can see like the juice right there, you know what I'm saying? And it shut off, and it keeps shutting off every time we cut it on. So I'm about to see what I can do about this, you know what I'm saying? Because this cannot be right, you know, this cannot be right. So look, we're about to go ahead and get into it. Let's go ahead and grab some tools. So I'm gonna start out with probably just my flathead, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep these, I'm just gonna keep all this and close by, you know what I'm saying? Put my gloves on, you know. Gotta have the gloves on. Just because, you know, because for one, my hands is ashy, and you know, I don't want y'all seeing that. And for two, you know, just to be on the safe side, bro. You know, like I said, bro, I'm new to this, but I'm still true to this. So okay, first things first, we gonna flip it over. Go ahead and tear this stick off here. Should have did that. What's up? If you come here, you gotta be good. I'm making a video. Yeah, you gotta sit down and be a good boy, okay? Go ahead and try to get this screw off of here. Bam. So now I'm gonna try to pry this on the inside. Go ahead and try to get this down. So I see the juice. I see all the damn juice. Can y'all see that? That's crazy, man. That is crazy. Yeah, he has juice all inside of this, bro. This is crazy. And I tell you, I can't believe this, bro. This is just out of control, man. Like real talk, bro. This is out of control. Like, I don't understand what was you thinking, son? You just feel like sitting your cup on top of it as a resting spot? He said forget all that. He said he needed somewhere to sit his cup down there. Look at me. He needed somewhere to sit his cup in, and that's what he did. He said that's what he did. I feel it, son. Yeah, if I can't fix this, I'm just gonna get another one and just give me a 1X. You know? So we got this off, you know. Got it off. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, we got it off. I see, man. Yeah, he ain't here, y'all. So I guess he trying to see his work, you know. Okay, secure the screws. So this is where we're gonna have a problem with, because I know damn well I don't have that. I can maybe if I check my tool bag, I might have something close to it, I guess. Let me see something. Hold on. You know, we gotta make sure, you know what I'm saying? I think this camera right here about to die, the one I'm looking at right here. So, you know, I'm probably about to be gone soon. It's all good. Okay. This is too big. Let's maybe try. Also, if that camera died, that means my audio quality is gonna be different. But yeah, right now I'm just looking at my tool bag to see what I can find. I doubt if I even have anything close to that, but it's cool though. You know, we gonna make a way. Y'all know we gonna make a way, man. Always. Okay. It's not looking so good so far, but you know, definitely ain't looking too good, but we gonna work with what we can, you know what I'm saying? And that camera officially died. Let's put it where y'all can see it. That wouldn't hurt, right? I just dumped a whole bunch of screws and, you know, excess stuff in here. So I can guarantee you some of my bits are in here too. I mean, Try this one. Well, we're having winner, folks. All right, we found this one. This one worked, you know. So let's go ahead and get that popping right quick, you know, quickly. Bam. So if you don't have the security screw head, then you can use a very small flathead, like an AC flathead, and that'll work also. So that's amazing. That is wonderful. Into a positive. So I had that problem bad. And see, if it was water, this would be way easier to fix because this juice gonna be sticky as hell. I was hoping that was just holding the motherboard onto it, but okay, cool. This is what I was looking for. I just wanted this case to come off. This need to be clean, but we ain't talking about that right now. So where it was sitting at, it was sitting like over the fan, as you can see right here. And that's pretty much where it entered that. And it stopped coming on. What up, Fat? Yeah, I'm trying to fix it because you broke it. I wish y'all can see him. I don't feel like turning this camera. But yeah, so let's see what can be done. There we go. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna really need to get to, well, nice size fan in here. That's why they don't overheat like a PC would. Nice size fan. I mean, it also doesn't deal with the specs a PC has to deal with. Got an HDD. I need to turn this into a SD, but it's cool. So yeah, disk drive. So I don't really care about this disk drive because I do not use it at all, like not even one bit. But what we're gonna do is try to go and get all this stuff out the way. I like how they can have the power supply built in. That was a nice finishing touch. And I actually want to see exactly where the juice got to because I want to just blow dry that area. I don't want to just be randomly doing it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, okay. That works. And watching SpongeBob, like it's just the hottest new thing that's out. But hey, to him it is. You know, us OGs, we've been know about SpongeBob. You know what I'm saying? I have no idea what I'm doing. I learn as I go. Now I did watch a video on how to get this top part off because I ain't gonna break nothing, you know. But apparently I remembered everything because I got it off, you know what I'm saying? Like I literally just watched it before I press record. So I ain't gonna get on here and lie like I'm some expert or nothing like that. You know? I mean, I couldn't. Y'all can tell anyway. Like all the people who know how to do this shit for real, I can tell I don't know what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? So look, instead of wasting my time by doing that, what I'm gonna do is just get the blow dryer. You know what I'm saying? Let's cut straight to the chase. You know what I'm saying? So let me turn this on. Knock the screw down. There's something everywhere. Put a little heat on it. And a lot of heat on it. Shit, I'm not trying to fuck up my fan. Okay. So I wanna say that I just should go ahead and put it back together. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together and let's see what happens after, man. That is that. It's not even a plug to this, but it'll do for right now. Well, who ain't about to keep messing with this is this guy. What y'all thought, man? Come on, bro. Think I'm about to keep trying to fix this? This was a one and done. I'm sorry. See? That's it. And it's a simple fix, but like I said, man, it's Juice. I don't know about Juice. Maybe I'll watch some YouTube videos or something. But other than that, I don't know tell you. Well, folks, it looked like we couldn't fix it, bro. We couldn't fix it at all. We couldn't fix it, man. But look, though, bro. Look, I maybe might watch some more videos, come back to it, and do another video on it. But I might not even post this because this really wasn't nothing spectacular. I mean, what do I post that's spectacular? But anyway, bro, thank you for rocking with your boy. This your boy BCP Entertain, and I'll see y'all next time, man.